This is the installation guide for the virtual job fair. For the virtual job fair, installation is very simple. First of all, once you get your project, the first thing you want to do is upload it to GitHub so you can do version checking. Now, once it's uploaded to GitHub, you want to ask yourself, do you want to install it locally? To install this project locally, you need a server. What I'm using is XAMPP, but I'm using it because it's for Mac. However, for Windows you can get WAMP. Once you download XAMPP, you have to install it. Installation is very simple and straightforward, but you may want to turn off Skype or any other applications that might use the ports that it uses to start the server. Once you have downloaded XAMPP and installed it, you want to go to the XAMPP folder and the htdocs folder and save your project there. Now, once this project is there, start the application and start all of the components inside of it. Once the components have started, you can access this website by going to localhost and the name of the folder. By doing that, you will be able to access this website, and that should be the installation for the local part. After installing the project, you have to set up the database, which is very simple in this case. All you have to do is go to localhost phpMyAdmin and create a new database with the file that already comes inside the project, called jobfairdb.sql. Once that's done, you will have access to all the information and all the tables that already exist in the current system. Installation on the Bef server is very similar to the local one. All you have to do is connect to the server, go to the designated folder, and if you already have your project in GitHub, all you have to do is call the command git pull. Now, to call the command git pull though, you will have to create a key in your local server if you're getting a new one. All of this you can follow through a simple guide that GitHub provides. However, once you're done with this, you have to install the database. Now, you can do it two ways. One way is to utilize the G framework command called gig migrate. Now, by running this command, it's gonna delete all of the data in the database, but it's gonna create a database from the code. So that's one way. But you could also go to the Bef dev and type /phpMyAdmin and log in with the credentials. Once you're in, you can still create a new database in there. The last part of the installation is the activation of the email system. Now, all you have to do is you have to run the command crontab-l and it will open the file of the current crontab in the system. Now, once you're in that file, you have to add this line so that the file refreshes itself every certain amount of time and gets the new crontabs that are being added to the system. And that completes the installation for the Virtual Job Fair version 4.